I am going to Switzerland. I am so excited to travel. I pack my warm clothes. Switzerland is cold in the mountains. My passport is ready. My flight leaves at 7 in the morning. Lucerne is so beautiful. You must see the old wooden bridge.
Be careful in the mountains, Mia. And call me every single day.
I will, Mom. I promise. Tomorrow I go to Switzerland. I am too excited to sleep now. I am at the airport. It is 4:30 in the morning. Let us go. This airport is so big. I can see many flights to many countries.
Good morning. Can I see your passport and ticket, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Your suitcase is exactly 21.4 kilograms. You're all set.
I am going to Switzerland. It is my first time. I am so happy.
That's wonderful. Your documents look to be in order. Here is your boarding pass. Gate C08. Have a good flight to Zurich.
I remove my laptop. I take off my shoes. Security is easy.
Arms up, please.
This perfume smells beautiful. But I must find my gate now. Gate C08 is this way. My flight to Zurich is on time. Good! That is my plane. I wait here, I drink my coffee, I am ready. We are boarding now. I am going to walk onto the plane.
Welcome. We fly to Zurich today. Please enjoy your flight.
Row 22, 22A is my seat. I love the window seat so much. My window seat! Look at the sky outside. It is almost morning.
In an emergency, put on this life jacket. Pull the red string.
The plane is moving now. My heart is fast. Are you nervous too? We are going up. This is amazing. This means so much. We are above the clouds. The sky is so blue, so beautiful.
Hello, chicken or pasta today? And here is your orange juice.
Pasta, please. Thank you.
Wonderful choice. Enjoy.
The chicken is very good. I am hungry. I eat everything. Look, the Swiss Alps on the screen. I will see them tomorrow. Switzerland. I can see the mountains. They are white with snow. We landed! We are in Switzerland, Zurich! Yes, I am here! I am in Switzerland. The airport is so clean and so beautiful here.
Good afternoon. What is the purpose of your visit to Switzerland?
Tourism. I'm visiting Zurich for a few days.
I see.
A Swiss stamp in my passport. This is a very special day for me. I can see my bag. The red one with the ribbon. There it is. Got it. My bag is heavy. Okay, I have everything now. Let us go.
Green channel, nothing to declare. I am almost in Switzerland.
I am in Switzerland now. Hello, Zurich. Hello, beautiful country. The Swiss air is so clean and cold. I can smell the mountains.
Hotel Alpenblick? Very good. I know it.
Thank you so much, Hans.
My pleasure. After you.
Thanks. Zurich is beautiful. The streets are clean. I can see the lake. The Alps. I can see the Swiss Alps. They are so big and white.
First visit to Switzerland? You will love the mountains and the lakes.
Yes, it is. The city is beautiful already.
The mountains and lakes are even better. Very Swiss.
Lake Zurich is so blue and clean. I can see swans. Oh, beautiful. My hotel is so beautiful. White walls and red flowers. I love it. This hotel has Swiss wood and Swiss art. It feels like a home here. I can see Lake Zurich from my room. And the Alps. I am so happy. Fresh water on my face. I feel clean and good now. Ready for Zurich. Selfie! Lake Zurich behind me. Mom, look where I am now. The old town is so beautiful. The old buildings and the fountains. Lake Zurich is so clear and blue. The swans are so beautiful here. The Grossmünster Church is very old and very tall. So powerful. Swiss chocolate! It is so beautiful. I must buy some for my family. Swiss chocolate is the best chocolate in the world. So perfect.
I am on top of the mountain. Zurich is so small below me now. The mountain air is so clean and cold. I feel so alive up here. The Swiss train is so clean and fast. I can see cows outside. Brown cows. Lucerne, I can see the old bridge from the boat. It is real. This bridge is 700 years old. I am touching old history. Swiss cheese fondue. Warm cheese and bread. This is Switzerland. This Swiss cheese is perfect. So warm, so creamy, so good. The Matterhorn. I am here. It is so big and so beautiful and real. Snow! Real mountain snow! I make a snowball! This is so fun! Swiss watches are so beautiful. Every detail is perfect. Amazing. My last dinner in Switzerland. Rösti and veal. It is so delicious. Swiss meringue and cream. This is the best dessert I ever ate. Zurich at night is so quiet and beautiful. I will never forget this. Mom? Switzerland is so beautiful. I am so happy I came here. I do not want to leave this hotel. Switzerland is so perfect here.
Goodbye, Switzerland. You are the most beautiful country. I will come back. Goodbye, beautiful mountains. Thank you, Switzerland. I will return. Switzerland changed my life. I want to go back. I will go back soon.